What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the show. We have been working our way down the East Coast, and it seems the further south we get, the colder it gets.
Yeah, it's been uncharacteristically cold, but we're making the best of it. We've had a couple of long travel days, so we thought we would reward ourselves with a sweet treat. Are you excited for a sweet treat? Oh yeah.
So today we are making cinnamon rolls on Blackstone. So let's go fire it up and get started.
Welcome back to Destination Delicious. Typically, you think of cinnamon rolls as a breakfast, side dish, which we absolutely love, but tonight they're gonna be our dessert.
The easy part of this is that you just use a Pillsbury dough sheet, and that goes right on the Blackstone. So I'm gonna start out with that, and you guys can start out with the cinnamon sugar.
Sounds good.
So the first thing I'm gonna do is just roll this dough out on a cutting board so I can get it good and flat. Make sure it's even. Press it out. I've already got the Blackstone set to medium heat to get the griddle preheated. And then I'm just gonna throw some butter on it to put the dough on. And then we're just gonna pick the dough up and set it right down on that butter. The trick here is we wanna make sure that the dough doesn't burn before it cooks. So I've preheated the griddle, and then as soon as the dough goes down, I turn the griddle off.
Our sweet cinnamon sugar goodness is going to consist of 4 easy items. We've got a stick of butter at room temperature. Do you want to open this and put it in the bowl? A half a cup of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of cinnamon, and then just a pinch of salt. Do you remember what this was? What measuring spoon this is? That's correct. All right, I'm gonna help you fill it. This is cinnamon. All right, we'll add just a pinch of salt and mix it up.
All right, that's looking good. It's been about 3 minutes and the dough should be good to go.
Now that our dough's ready, we're gonna add our cinnamon sugar mixture on top. We're just gonna spread it out all over the dough. It's gonna melt quickly.
Yeah, you're gonna wanna move quick because it's definitely gonna melt quickly. After you get the cinnamon sugar mixture all spread out, the next step is to roll the dough up. And then once you have it all rolled up, we're gonna get out our Blackstone warming rack and set that up. Then we'll just transfer the cinnamon roll onto the warming rack. Then we crank the Blackstone back up to medium high, and we're just gonna let it go for a little while.
Next step is to make our icing topping. We're gonna use a half a cup of butter or 1 stick, 3 cups powdered sugar, and a little bit of milk.
Probably a good idea to scrape the cinnamon sugar butter off the griddle, because when you turn it up it might start to smoke. Basically what's happening in there is with the hood down and the cinnamon roll on the warming rack, it's acting kind of like an oven. So I think it's ready to go now, and time to put our icing on.
Spread it on the top. Cinnamon roll should be so warm that the icing will just start melting down the sides. Just spread it along the top.
We're not shy with our icing around here, so we like to just put as much on as possible.
All right, we're gonna just add a couple of strawberries on top.
All right, Bubba, you ready for this?
Now we're gonna cut our cinnamon roll slices so we can dig in and try this treat. What piece are you going after? That one? Do you want the strawberries? Yep. Mm-hmm. I know. Wow. Oh my goodness.
Open my mustache.
The outside bite is crispy from being on the griddle on both sides, and then you get into the soft, gooey layers of just cinnamon and dough. Oh, this is fantastic.
Mm-hmm. Well, this isn't gonna last long.
Yeah, no, neither is our light. As per
right,
usual.
yeah, it's getting dark once again. Thank you guys for watching. We hope you try this one out, because this is a different one where you're almost sort of kind of baking on the Blackstone, but it turns out so good. So give it a try and let us know what you think in the comments. Check out blackstoneproducts.com, go to the YouTube channel and hit that bell, subscribe, and check out all the other shows. Bruce and Nate and CJ and Betty and Todd.
And until next time, we
for
will
it.
see you down the road.
This is Destination Delicious.
And then until next time, yeah, double thumbs up.
This is Destination Delicious. We will see you down the road.